If you are over 60 and you feel pain in your knees, hips, shoulders, or fingers, this video could change how you age. Because joint pain after 60 is not just aging. It is often a warning sign that your joints are breaking down faster than your body can repair them. Today, I will show you why this happens and the 2 foods proven by science to help rebuild and protect joints by up to 68%. Please stay with me until the end. Your independence depends on it. Let's clearly understand this topic. The main problem we're discussing today is joint degeneration and chronic joint pain after age 60. This includes knee pain, hip stiffness, shoulder discomfort, and finger and hand pain. The solution is simple but powerful. 2 specific foods backed by medical research that help reduce inflammation and support joint repair. Why is this critical? Because untreated joint damage leads to loss of mobility, increased fall risk, joint replacement surgery, and loss of independence. But when you nourish your joints correctly, you can slow damage and protect movement for years. Here is something most seniors are never told. Medical studies show more than 70% of adults over 60 have joint degeneration. 1 out of 3 seniors with chronic joint pain will lose independence within 10 years. Joint inflammation increases fall risk by over 50%. But the most dangerous belief is this: I am old, so pain is normal. That belief is wrong. Pain is your body's alarm system, and ignoring alarms never ends well. This information comes from real medical practice. Dr. Michael Harrington, a board-certified orthopedic and geriatric specialist, has treated more than 12,000 patients over 28 years. According to him, age alone does not destroy joints. Inflammation, poor nutrition, and inactivity do. When seniors correct these, we see improvement in nearly 2 out of 3 patients. This is not opinion, this is clinical evidence. Let me explain this simply. Your joints depend on cartilage, synovial fluid, collagen, and anti-inflammatory nutrients. After age 60, collagen production drops by 30 to 40%. Inflammation increases, joint lubrication decreases, cartilage dries and cracks. This causes bone rubbing on bone, swelling, pain, stiffness. Without proper nutrition, your joints cannot repair themselves. Many seniors rely on painkillers. Here is the danger. Painkillers mask pain, do not rebuild cartilage, do not stop inflammation long-term. Studies show long-term painkiller use increases joint damage by 38%, damages the stomach and kidneys. Pain relief is not healing. Another mistake is avoiding fats completely. Your joints need healthy fats. Low-fat diets in seniors cause increased joint stiffness, poor cartilage lubrication. A study found seniors avoiding fats had 45% worse joint mobility. The right fats heal, the wrong fats harm. Now let's talk about the first healing food. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce joint inflammation, protect cartilage, improve joint lubrication. Clinical studies show 68% reduction in joint stiffness, noticeable improvement in walking within 12 weeks. How to use? Eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week, palm-sized portion. Avoid deep frying. The second food is equally powerful. Bone broth. It contains collagen, glycine, proline. These nutrients rebuild cartilage, tendons, and synovial fluid. Studies show seniors drinking bone broth daily had 40% less joint pain, improved flexibility in 8 weeks. How to use? 1 cup daily, low sodium. Add turmeric or ginger for extra benefit. If you are over 60 and want to stay mobile and independent, please like this video, subscribe BodyFuel Insights, comment your age and problem joint. BodyFuel Insights YouTube channel exists to protect your health as you age.
Joint pain does not mean your life is shrinking. It means your body is asking for support. By nourishing your joints, you protect your freedom, you reduce falls, you delay surgery, you save medical costs, you stay independent longer. Your future movement depends on today's choices. Start today.
Your joints carry you through life. Respect them, feed them, protect them. Subscribe now and stay with us as we uncover the science of aging the smart way.